Wow, your presentation was incredible. You totally slayed it. Wait, what does it mean to slay something? Today, we're diving deep into slay, the ultimate compliment that's everywhere, from fashion runways to your group chat. Stick around to unlock its powerful pop culture history, and use it like a native speaker. At its core, to slay means to do something exceptionally well, to impress or to succeed spectacularly. It's a powerful, enthusiastic way to say someone absolutely nailed it. Think of it as a high-energy compliment for a job incredibly well done, an amazing outfit, or a stellar performance. It's always positive and celebratory. This iconic word didn't just appear overnight. Its roots are firmly planted in the vibrant underground ballroom culture of the 1980s and 1990s. In these fierce competitions, performers would serve looks and walk the runway with unparalleled confidence and style. To slay meant to dominate, to leave everyone speechless with your talent and presence. From ballroom, slay was embraced by drag performers, then picked up by pop music icons like Beyoncé, who famously told us to slay in her song Formation. This journey cemented slay as a mainstream declaration of excellence, now heard everywhere, from runways to everyday conversations. It's a testament to its powerful origins. Imagine your friend walks in with a stunning new hairstyle. You'd say, "Wow, your new haircut absolutely slays." It's a spontaneous, heartfelt compliment. Or maybe your colleague just delivered an amazing presentation. You could tell them, "You totally slayed that presentation today," for their stellar performance. Heard a fantastic band play live? That band slayed their set last night. Means they performed incredibly well and impressed everyone. You can even use it for yourself. After finishing a tough task, you might text a friend, "Just submitted my big project. Feeling like I slayed." So when should you slay with slay? Use it to express genuine enthusiasm and admiration for someone's exceptional effort or outcome. Avoid using slay in very formal settings or situations where sarcasm might be misunderstood. It's a casual, celebratory word. And remember, in this context, slay has nothing to do with actual violence. It's purely about excelling. So, to slay means to absolutely crush it, to impress, and to succeed spectacularly, with a powerful lineage from underground culture to global pop. If you loved learning the real meaning of slay, hit that like button and subscribe to Native Lingo for more authentic American English expressions. Next time, we're breaking down another expression that sounds completely wild, but means something totally different. You won't want to miss it.